ball. Shout out to them bitches tryna be me. Yeah, 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 bitch, I'm popping bottles, dream a genie. Flyest bitch on the planet, live in the castle. Niggas love me, my little waist, my ass colossal. These all bitches I fuck with get money.
Hey Barbie Gang, it's your girl Barbie Dage. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be designing something very, very cute. If you guys are enjoying my fashion content, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button. The fashion content has definitely been a 10 out of 10. I've been enjoying you guys. You guys have been subscribing to my YouTube channel. We locked in forever. I really appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel, supporting my channel. It definitely means the world to me. So I'm sending that love back to you. For the month of August, you guys, we looking real trim. We looking real good over here. Like, I ain't gonna flex my muscles. Y'all, we looking real trim. We looking real good over here. For all my new customers, all my Deja Vu babes, I will be having a 10% discount available. You must watch this video. You must watch to the end of the video, or whenever I decide to drop the code, you have to watch all of my videos, okay? To get that 10% off. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And you guys, I'm super excited about you joining our community. I'm the only one that needs to buy the character jewelry. Y'all used to love me some Tinkerbell. So today's outfit will be based on a character. This outfit is gonna be fun, you guys. Let's get right into today's video. Real simple, real cute, real simple, real cute. It's a Powerpuff Girls Tapestry blanket. And you guys, I'm super excited about today's design, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video.
Do it, do it, do it.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get top in the moment, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step up something, so I just like baby D. Bitch, I'm cool. I got hoes when there's not enough, come fill a nigga team.
I need chips, I tell that nigga, he like a baby, carry that on my hip. I just think a zip, cause shawty got me shoes, got me pleasure for boy, I give that bitch a miss. Bitch, I'm money on my house, give a fuck about my face. On my touch, you can't be touched, that I know that nigga is. I know that I'm rich, but that's my project, bitch. Royalty me something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
Push a T, push a pound of weed. Need a brand new weed. Kill my dog, pussy nigga, please. I go Keanu Reeves. He don't go. Why you telling me? Just let a nigga see. Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G. Welcome at the A, just let that nigga be. Keep my phone on D&D. That's my song. Right that did the beat, I right that did the sleep. You ain't Pete, but you know you beat to me. He beat.
I tell that nigga, he like a baby, carry that on my hip. I just think a zip, cause shawty got me shoes, got me pleasure for boy, I give.
Certified quality. And that the girl them need and cry for every day without apology. Walk them the right way, that's my policy. Shonda Paul alongside Beyonce. Now hear the man say, I'm dirty, yeah, dirty, yeah, dirty, yeah, dirty, yeah. Beyonce, sing it now, yeah.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby gone. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy. Baby boy, you stay on my mind.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl. give me the thing that ready for really get to dive. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in at the night, I make her get it amplified. But I quit for run the ship, me now go slip, me now go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. For give me the toughest, longest time for ride, girl.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
Think about you all the time. See you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, what's the deal?
Think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real. Top girl, me and you together is a rap that girl. Drive round the town in a your drop top girl. You not stop shop girl. Little more the dirty one rock that world. You's a top girl. Me and you together is a rap that girl. Drive round the town in a your drop top girl. You not stop shop girl. Little more the dirty one rock that world.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
Think about you all the time. See you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
What's up, Barbie Doll Gang? We are back, you guys. I finally finished those 3 skirts, you guys, and they turned out so cute. Thank you so much for staying this long to the end of the video, you guys. I do appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you made it this far into the video, make sure you get your coupon code. Make sure that you get your coupon code out right here on the screen, y'all. But the outfit turned out so cute, you guys. So I will be uploading the Powerpuff Girls skirts, Tapestry skirts on my website for purchase. And I also made Tapestry bags. The Tapestry bags are so cute, and the girls don't know they're getting bags. I'm actually surprising them with the bags. I love just doing extra stuff for my supporters and making them feel special. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in purchasing, make sure you check out my website. If you have any questions about purchasing, you guys can reach out to me on Instagram. If you have any comments or concerns, feel free to leave your comments below, y'all. I'm tired. Today's been a long day. I got up and worked out this morning. Today's been very successful. And y'all see all them orders? All those orders. Our goal is to get 100 orders this month. Our goal is to get over 100 orders this month. And if I don't make it, cool beans, I will still keep going, you guys. But I know y'all can make it happen. So let's try and get me over 100 orders this month. I know y'all can do it. Yeah, I'm hurting so bad. We're up in here of the Tapestry skirts and the outfits, y'all. They turned out so cute, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up this video because content, like the content being there. So without further ado, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video.